You're playing a challenging and unforgiving game. You will not be led by the hand. Respect the woods. Be patient. Focus. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay. Locked. Locked. What am I fucking missing here? Oh, I'm gonna be really good at this game. I can already tell. Oh, here we go. I had to search the chair. Okay, here we go. Something scary's gotta happen right here. What's going on here, guys? Come closer. You're gonna scare me. This guy's gotta scare me. Fine, go ahead. Where is he? Oh, Jesus Christ! You're a bitch! Fuck you! Ugh. 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 Oh, fucking Christ. Yeah, I knew it was coming. He had a chicken. Oh, nice, bro. Real nice, bro. What's all this? Photo of road. What's that say at the bottom? Droga doo-doo. Ah, yes. Droga doo-doo. Love that. Love that part of the road. And out we go! This is frightening. That is a flexible man. Throw a fucking rock at this guy's fucking head. Hey! Let's talk to this guy first and then... Ah! Hey, doggy! He's gonna eat me. He's gonna eat me. I'm just gonna... Oh my god, wait! I am a master huntsman! Unbelievable! That was totally planned. And look at that meat! Alright, we're killing this asshole. Ugh. Ugh. Why'd he suck? Oh yeah, look at all this. Look at all of this. A little bit more. Haha! What the fuck? It didn't work! Why didn't it work? Oh, he's chained up! I have you now! Alright, what do the dogs have? Meat. Wait. Can we use as bait? Well, I don't need that right now. Meat. Come on, the dog didn't have like a gun or something? Didn't eat a gun in your time, dog? Alright! We're making headway. Just gotta hide here in the corner. Ah! Oh! No, no. If you're not selling fucking Thin Mints, I'm not opening the door. Oh my god! A moose! Holy shit! Can I fight it? Oh! Moose fight! Moose fight! What is happening? Yeah, I'm spanking that. I'm spanking the moose. Yeah. Yeah. You like that? You dumb moose? You... The fuck was that? Oh god. Oh god! Why did I do that? I don't want to be down here. Holy shit! Oh, Jesus! That scared me. I look like fucking H.R. Geiger made this place. So fucked up. I'm not gonna remember where I went. I think we're dead. I think we're dead. Ooh, more poop. Can never have more poop. So this is a classic horror technique. It was fine on the way there, but on the way back you expect it to be the same, but now it's going to be scary. What did I gotta go. Holy shit. This place is coming down! Oh my god. Oh my god, I wanna go home. I wanna go home, I wanna go home. There's no place like home, there's no place like home. There's no place like home. What is that? Is it by me? Ah! There's no place like home. There's no place like home. No. Ah! Oh my god! How'd you get in here? just walked in. What do you mean? How did he get in here? Oh, this is how. He just wedged through the fucking thing. You goofball. Oh, God damn it! Oh! My goddamn trap! This day has been eventful. This day's been eventful. Ah! God damn it! I wasn't even looking. Ah! Not even scary. Go outside. Absolutely not. I'm freaked out. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my god. There's actually just shit going on out here. No kidding. Hello? Hey! Ugh! Ah! Alright, we're never going out there again. That was fun. Yes. At least he's knocking. That's cute. What? He ran. I just saw him run. Come to me? Sorry, there's a bear trap in the way. I'm not going out there. But nice try, asshole. What we got? Oh, we got him! Fuck him up! Ugh. Gave them the old dong. You just got home alone, bitch. Dong. 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 This cannot be the whole night. This was the night? Wow. Not bad. The other night was way scarier and more difficult. Yeah! Yes! We did it. Am I doing good? It's just like, am I like epic winning this playthrough right now? No, you're pretty shit coming from someone who has never seen this game. Alright, I guess we'll exit. 1 minute, yeah, okay. Cool. Well, wasn't that fun?